Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall TensorFlow from macOS, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the terminal on your macOS. First, check if TensorFlow is installed using the command piplist grep TensorFlow. If TensorFlow appears in the list, you can proceed with the uninstallation. To uninstall TensorFlow, type the command pip uninstall TensorFlow. Press enter to execute the command. You will be prompted to confirm the uninstallation. Type Y and hit enter to confirm. Wait for the process to complete. If you have TensorFlow with GPU support, you will need to uninstall it separately. Use the command pip uninstall TensorFlow GPU for the GPU version. Again, confirm the uninstallation by typing Y and pressing enter. After the uninstallation, you can verify that TensorFlow has been removed. Repeat the initial check with piplist grep TensorFlow. If no output appears, TensorFlow has been successfully uninstalled. For a complete cleanup, you may also want to remove any related packages. You can check for them using piplist. If you see other TensorFlow related packages, uninstall them using the same pip uninstall command. Your Mac is now free of TensorFlow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.